Hello engineers, another sample problem for mechanics of deformable bodies. Module 3, mechanical properties of materials. The plug has a diameter of 30 millimeters and fits within a rigid sleeve, having an inner diameter of 32 millimeters. Both the plug and the sleeve are 50 millimeters long. Determine the axial pressure P that must be applied to the top of the plug to cause it to contact the size of the sleeve. Also, how far must the plug be compressed downward in order to do this? The plug is made from a material for which the modulus of elasticity E equals 5 megapascals and the Poisson's ratio nu equals 0.45. Kapag tinignan natin yung figure from the top, ganito magiging itsura niya, no? We have the outer diameter of the sleeve, which the diameter is not provided. Then we have the inner diameter of the sleeve. And then exaggerate lang natin ng konti. We have here the diameter of the plug. So as provided, this one diameter is 30 millimeters. And this one 32 millimeters. And then the length provided was 50 millimeters. Now the plug, for it to contact the sides of the sleeve, this means na from the center, it has the radius of 15 millimeters, half ng 30. So sulat natin here, we have the initial radius na 15 millimeters. This is for the plug. And for it to contact the sides of the sleeve, kailangan yung kanyang final radius will be half ng diameter ng sleeve, that is 16 millimeters. So 16 here is this one. So ibig sabihin, kapag naging 16 millimeters na yung radius ng plug, it will touch the sides of the sleeve. Now we can determine the strain lateral, since we are talking about the lateral deformation of the plug. Here we have the change in length divided by the original length. That's also equal to the difference of the final length and the original length, or the final radius with the original radius divided by the original radius. And this is equal to 16 millimeters minus 15 millimeters divided by 15 millimeters. Then the lateral strain is equal to 0.06667 millimeters per millimeters. Now that we have the lateral strain, going back to the problem, we have the value of the Poisson's ratio, that is 0.45. Recalling the formula, we have Poisson's ratio that is equal to negative ratio of the lateral strain divided by the longitudinal strain. Here we have the longitudinal strain equal to negative 0.06667 millimeters per millimeters divided by Poisson's ratio is 0.45. Then we have the longitudinal strain equal to negative 0.14816 millimeters per millimeters. So take note, for the lateral strain, we have a positive value. This means na nagkaroon ng increase or elongation. And for the longitudinal strain, we have a negative value. That means nagkaroon ng decrease or contraction. So as expected, yung other direction has a different sign. Now that we have the longitudinal strain, we can now compute for the pressure P. So let's recall, we have stress that is also equal to the product of the modulus of elasticity and the corresponding strain. And as provided by the problem, we have the pressure equal to 5 megapascals and then multiply it by the computed strain that is negative 0.14816 millimeters per millimeters. So we have here sigma, that is also the pressure P as used in this problem. That is equal to negative 0.741 megapascal, or can also be written as negative 741 kilopascals. So what does the negative sign mean? Ang ibig lang sabihin ng negative sign is it is in compression. So we can just write the value P equal to 741 kilopascals. That is in compression. Next question is, how far must the plug be compressed downward in order to do this? So ang keyword is how far. Therefore, we're talking about the deformation. Since na-compute na natin yung kanyang strain here, mako-compute natin agad yung corresponding deformation. As long as we have the original length. And since, as stated in the problem, ang length ay 50 millimeters long, therefore, the original length is 50 millimeters. And for us to determine the deformation, this will be equal to the strain multiplied by the original length. Substituting the values, we have negative 0.14816 millimeters per millimeters multiplied by the original length 50 millimeters. This is delta, and delta now is equal to negative 7.408 millimeters. So what does the negative sign mean? Since you have to compress the plug for it to expand at dumikit doon sa sides of the sleeve. Therefore, because of this compression, magkakaroon ka din ng contraction. So magko-contract siya, therefore, as expected, yung ating delta should be negative. And that's it. I hope you learned something. This is Engineer Lance. Thank you for watching.